everyone, it's Clyde at Vibrant Soap, and this soap was really a roller coaster ride. I got very hopeful when I was planning out the design, and then I poured it, and then I saw the color of the loaf when it came out, and I thought, that yellow just never brightened up. It looked like a brown mustard color, and then I started cutting the bars, and you'll hear me laugh as I cut the bars because they were so hideous to me. And I think it was hideous because I was really expecting something else. And not only that, but the color took a long time to morph back to their bright colors. So I put it to the side, and then I looked at it again and thought, you know what? This is not as horrible as I thought at first, but I'll let you be the judge of that. And I'll show you how I made it too. Let's get started right now. Okay, lots of colors to deal with today, so let's get going on the blending of the soap. And I've got everything in there that I usually put in there. And that includes kaolin clay, some coconut milk, and all my oils. And here's the lye solution. And we're going to blend this to emulsification. That looks good. Get the fragrance in there. Lemon and lavender. It's a good mix because it softens the lavender scent, so people that don't like a strong lavender but like a lot of fragrance will still like this. And working with a lot of color today. Felt like making another rainbow type of soap. Okay, so let's pour this, and I always start with my smaller amounts first. There's my black, just for some definition. And I'm going to have some white to brighten up the rainbow. So I'm going to add my titanium dioxide. Now blend that later. There's my red, blue, and yellow. And then I'm going to split the rest of it with the secondary colors. And inside this room there's just a great smell of lavender. And let's see, I'm going to blend my bigger amounts first because they take a longer time to harden. Then I'm going to use my new tool. I think Amy Borden shared this new device, and I think I had to have it. Those little Battery operated frothers just aren't powerful enough for me. Oh, this is perfect. It's the first time I'm using it. That's great. I'll leave a link to this frother too. So I noticed that when I try to do it with my whisk, hand whisk, that it wasn't quite enough to get the trace going. So this is perfect. I'll do my whites last, because titanium dioxide usually speeds up saponification. Perfect. So I have an idea of how I'm going to do this. So for maximum contrast in the colors, I'm going to pair up the colors by its opposite, which are the complementary colors. So yellow is going to go in with my purple. The red's going to go with the green. And the blue is going to go into the orange. Then I'm going to do a little stir with each one. And then I'm going to alternate with the colorful pores and the black and the white. So let me start with the purple and yellow. A little bit of white. A little bit of black. Go to the red and green. A little bit of white. Black, and the orange and blue, and repeat the process. Here's the orange, here's the purple and yellow, a little bit of white, black, red and green, that ugly green is going to morph back into a nice bright green, orange and blue, I think I'll save the black and white for the top, because I don't have enough for the last part, which is okay. Well, that went well, and we'll do some scraping. Let's start with the darker colors. The nice thing about this pour is that with so many colors, the soap will thicken up, but so I can quickly combine pairs of colors and get them into the mold pretty quickly. I don't have as much of a rush in the long run to get a fluid pour for the whole batch. That's the theory, at least. Let's get some of the green, red on the sides. And I have no idea what this is going to look like. I think for me the experimentation with different pours is, I really like that surprise of what you got at the end. Okay, so I got those color mixes in my soap mold first because I wanted this pure colors on the top. There's going to be a lot of activity in texturing and swirling the top. So that's why, and there's so many colors mixed in there already, so that's why I'm going to just add the pure colors on top. Starting with my darker color, blue. And the red. Trying to roughly get these in thirds on the top. And the yellow. I usually don't like the darkest color on top, but since it is an accent, I'm going to do that. But I didn't want it on the very top, so that's why I saved some white for the end. Don't want to obliterate the color beneath, but have it poking through. Tap that down. And now figure out what I'm going to do with that top. I think I'll just swirl it. I'll leave it just like that. That's beautiful. Question is, to glitter or not to glitter? I think I'm not going to glitter this one. I want the colors to really stand out. So there is my lemon lavender. And let's bring you back for the cut. Okay, so the soap is ready to be cut, and the outside morphed into kind of ugly mustard color. The brown mustard, not the nice bright mustard. So I'm hoping that's only on the outside. So let's cut off a piece. Because the top part is a bright yellow. So I'm not sure what the deal is. That is really ugly soap. Anyway, it's probably good that you see me make something like this too. I think though that the green is still going to morph into something brighter. My gosh. Would you wear something like that? It's so ugly, it's kind of comical. So part of the problem is that the blue was pretty much absorbed into the orange. The red shows some definition in the green. So, yeah, it's important to take a look at it and problem solve so that it doesn't happen again. Or maybe it'll grow on me. I doubt it. The top looks nice. It's just so wild. I'm going to have to rename this. Wow. That one's kind of neat. That one's kind of neat too. You know what? It's kind of growing on me. I think what I would do next time though is I would make my larger amounts the primary colors and use smaller amounts of the secondary colors. Wow, that's actually kind of neat. Am I just getting used to it or what? I don't know. I'm sure you'll let me know. I just want to laugh. That is really wild. I think when more of the colors showed up, I like it better. Like there's more colors than that. I don't know. Perplexed. Like I kind of like this one. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I got a kick out of it. And I like that little spin right there. And then we'll see you for the next video. I think next time I'll have something very interesting to share with you. I've been working on it for a long time. And thanks for watching. Thanks for visiting the website. And we'll see you for the next video. Bye, everybody.